I have the Roblox games, and I have this tour Bigalo, and he is the one who's the president here. But this thing is the second about it. It's the bad timing. Let's find the vision. But first, I need to fix it before it's to my life. I can now find. Okay, guys, I'm almost finished. And down there. And this is how they gobble in this black timing version, dark version of Yako. It even looks like this though. But actually, this thing was been done bad, and I know what is going on from this. And this is how the video started when I know it. Alright guys, I'm the winner here. Now give me your swords. No, I'm not. You're gonna die. Oh, right, dumb guy. I'm the winner in this game, man. You see, Complex. You see, guys, I know. That's my own. The one who I forget the video. I know you can know it. But in Filipino, kaya ko naman mag-English. Pero pwede naman na ako mag-video na. Okay, guys. Let's start. Ito na. Boy, gising ka na. Umaga na. Ha? Umaga na? Ano yun? Umaga na talaga, boy. Kanina ka pa yun natutulog eh. Yan, kain na. Sige, kain na. The next day. Wala eh. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano tayo magmatol. Ay! Naalala kita, boy. Alam ko na dark version mo. Paano nga? Paano nga? Tina. Pero, gusto mo ba rin kita? Ayoko na, pre. Gusto ko lang makasurvive dito sa game na to. At bago naman ng... Uy, ano nangyari sa'yo, pre? Ako ang dark version mo, boy. Oh, sino ka? Ako ang iyong kalaban. Kung kaya mo kong talunin, basta, talunin mo na ako. O, sige ah. Ito na nga aking sword. Matatalo na kita lalo kesa sa'yo. Oh, gusto mo talaga na. Let's fight! Hindi!